Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? If you want to get the best with stocks and crypto, make sure that you get every notification because everything is moving fast. My name is Larry Jones. This is Stock Up with Larry Jones. Tuesday is my day off, but I know there's a lot of concerns, so I just want to come on, briefly talk about crypto, what's going on. We got rejection, and then I'm going to briefly talk about digital or acquisition, though I'm out of that position. Today is Super Tuesday. It has been surging. All right. Where should we start? All right. So on yesterday, on this video right here, if you haven't seen this video, I want you to please watch this video again. Okay. Please watch it again. I'm going to leave it in this box. Right. So like I said, a lot of people will make money and a lot of people will lose money. Listen, it had a retest of last cycle's high and it got rejected. Bitcoin I'm talking about. Let's go right into it. As you can see, Bitcoin started off okay and tanked, came back up and then tanked again, right? What's really going on is, as you could see, 69,000 is resistance, right? And it's a hard resistance, to be honest with you guys. Why is it a resistance? Because last cycle, you see here in 21, you see where the last cycle was? It was 69. As a matter of fact, I believe it was 68,999. So let's just call it 69, right? So what happened was we had a retracement, right? Here, this was back in 2021. That was the last bull cycle. But when was it, should I say? It was after the halving. This was the bull run. So now we retested here, right? Retraced here, and it got rejected, right? So all is not lost. Don't go run and jump out of the bedroom window on the first floor. All right, I don't want to be graphic because all is not lost. Listen, I expected it to be a retest, retracement, and a rejection. Just think about Michael Jordan rejecting that ball. That's what happens, right? I believe that is going to push past, but it's not going to be a straight line up. It's not going to be a straight line up. Just think about working out in the gym and you're on your last rep, how hard it gets. Well, that's what's happening here, right here where you are meeting resistance. Okay. So we're just going to keep our eye on things, keep our eye on volume. Right. You know what? Let's pull up the RSI and see what it's saying. Now, RSI with crypto, I could tell you will stay overbought, right? It will stay overbought for a while with crypto, right? And we could see here it's reaching that peak right now, and I got this on the weekly. Okay, it's not on. Let's go to the daily. Let's do that. You know what? Let's go to the hourly. Right now, as you can see on the hourly. Look at that. We have a cool off going on. We hit the oversold and we have a cool off going on right now, right? So don't panic. Just don't panic. So what'll happen is you'll buy it at the high, which some of you guys did on yesterday, right? And then it'll drop down, you'll panic, and then you'll sell low. And then it runs back up, then you'll buy high, and you'll just keep losing. This is not an emotional game, good people. This is cryptocurrency. Do not bet your mortgage, your house payment, all right? Don't sell your firstborn and then come to me and say, hey, Larry, what should I do? Don't do that. Don't do that, good people. And never invest money you can't afford to lose. Now, we've all said this. This is not the stock market. Crypto is extremely volatile. Let's keep it going. Look at this. Bonk down 20%. A minute ago, it was 22%. So someone took a loss at 22%. Now it's down 20%. The truth be told, later this year, it could be up 400%. And you see what I'm saying? Or it could be down by 90%. We just have to see, okay? That's why you shouldn't invest money you don't have. And why go all in? Why not continue the dollar cost average, especially since we have over a month to the halving, right? But we are in the markup phase early. So you can see Floki down. See here, Bonk down. Jasmine down. Why do I point these out? These are the ones that ran up hot. That's why. Let's see what we got here. Now, look, I got top gainers. Today, top losers. The other video, the other day, I had the top gainers. Well, guess what? The top losers are in there right now. It's Bonk. Look at that. It's Jasmine. It's Pepe. You see that? So you're going to see these are going to be some of your top losers because they were some of your top gainers. You see how that goes? They're going to swing. They're going to swing high. They're going to swing low, right? But all is not lost, good people. Why are we freaking out so early? Because look at this. This is just the day, right? So we're down 2% for the day, but we're up 14% for the week still. And for the month, we're up 53%. Look at that, right? And so I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just going to stay and keep things where it is. Now, I don't have a crystal ball. Anything could happen. There's a lot going on. You got companies like BlackRock now over 9 trillion in assets, and they are buying billions of dollars worth of crypto or worth of Bitcoin. And you have 2 other major banks, right, that want to get into crypto, or should I say Bitcoin, right? And eventually they will be into Ethereum too. So that's the next ETF to happen. Now, this is all about keeping a level head and not FOMOing. If you're a FOMOer, if you're a gambler, on yesterday's video, remember that? On this video, not yesterday, but on this video, I said, if you're a gambler, sell now while you're up. I said that, and I'm going to say it again, right? If you get back up, and sell it and get out. Now, I have a friend, I'm not going to call his name. He watches all of the videos. I told him in the morning, he says, well, what should I do? He ran up and I said, he was up almost 300%. I said on one of the coins, I said, you should sell in the morning. Well, what are you going to do? No, don't worry about what I'm going to do. You should sell in the morning because your problem is you never sell when it's time to sell. And so that's my message. If you have a problem with not selling, then you could have swung it, you could have sold some and then came back down. But remember that resistance for now. It's going to change. So you can't come back here 3 weeks from now and go, hey, Larry, you said 3 weeks ago. No, this is crypto. It's moving fast. It's not waiting on you, right? It's not waiting on you. All right. So listen, let's just get this in the way. Look, if you don't know what the 4 phases of crypto is, if you don't know what Bitcoin really is, if you don't know what the halving is and when it should be coming and what does it do to the circulating supply, you shouldn't be trading crypto at all. I'm just going to look you in the eye and tell you, you shouldn't be chasing anything and putting your hard-earned money into anything that you do not understand. Okay, if you don't know what blockchain technology is, you shouldn't be trading. So why am I saying that? Because you need to go ahead, quit playing, invest in yourself. Look at this. All right. So look, what I want to show you is, of course, I have an entire crypto chapter here, right? An entire crypto chapter here. And then you're going to learn from those of you that's taken the crypto chapter. I want you to go back and I want you to take Josh's chapter with the charts so you will know what's going on with crypto. All right. And lastly, let me say this. We changed this. Look, I want you guys to look at this. One-time payment, lifetime access, join thousands of us. There is no coupon code needed. Everybody saves. And it is over 50% off of the price that it will soon be. Okay? And listen, this week, well, until further notice, we're going to pay your taxes. All right? So let's keep it going. Let's go to, look at this. DWAC, Digital World Acquisition. Now, for those of you that's taken the class, you know that the warrants at this price is not so much of a better thing to be in. For those of you that know the rule in the class, you know that now that gap is closing. But this was up, I think, by 17% yesterday, and so was the warrants, right? And why? Super Tuesday, the elections. Okay, I'm out of this play. I cashed out in profit. For those of you that's in it, I just wanted to show you why it's surging. Now, speaking of surging and speaking of the class, this is what I did this morning, right? I posted this in the Patreon. This is what I did this morning on the DWAC. 32% in and out. This was a 5-minute play and I made $775. But it was an expensive option. If you want to learn how to do that, that's also in Stock Up You. So you got Keenan Grace helping you with, for beginners, with options. You got Stocks with Josh helping you with the charts, knowing when to buy and sell, right? Let's not go into this journey blindly, okay? So what else do we have here? So we could see, let's check this out. You know what? Let's look at this right quick. Let's take a quick look at some of the hot altcoins. We have Bonk up. We could see that Bonk is down 18%. So Bonk took the biggest hit today, right? For the week, we're still up 110%. 110%, good people. And then for the month, we're up still 200% on Bonk, right? So I have not sold mine, and I'm not telling you not to sell. I'm definitely not going to say that. On SHIB, we could see that for the day, we're still up on SHIB. SHIB, that's why I'm diversified in both. And as we could see, still up for the week, 200%. And for the month, we are up. Come on, come on, come on. Man, Coinbase has been just biting lately. I'm sorry, good people. Doge, look at that, down 4%. We got 69%, right? Look at that in the week. And then the month, we're still up. Let's see what's going on with SHIB. It won't pull up a month. The week is still up 200%. SHIB, it is what it is. We saw that. We saw where it was down, all right? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Listen, I want you guys to know that today is my off day. What I'm going to wind up doing is making videos, probably 2 videos a day, right? And what I'm going to do is make one for stocks and one for crypto. I'm not going to abandon my stock family. I'm going to do this one. This will be the thumbnail for all my cryptos, okay? And then I'm going to create another one for the stock. So I'm just going to make 2 different videos from here on out. And some of the videos I want to tell you guys are going to be both. So if you see stock and crypto and you're the crypto people and you missed that because it has stock in it, shame on you. All right. Remember, good people, let's not FOMO in the highs and then panic sell on every drop. OK, be a wise investor. Right. Listen, I'm not going to answer any crazy questions. Larry, I sold my wife. They're holding her for ransom. I lost money. What should I do? I'm not doing that. I sold my firstborn. You know, I mortgaged all my house. I sold all of my stock. Don't do that. Listen, help somebody today by posting. I want everyone to post what was their mistake in 2021. Mine was not realizing the markdown phase. I understood it. I knew where it was, but I just didn't want to believe it because I just wanted it to keep pushing up and not looking and listening to what the market is telling me. Leave me a comment. What was your mistake? What did you do wrong in 2021 so we could help somebody else, right? Love you guys. Make sure you download the top link below. Stock Up You is for you.